fresh prawns, beautiful pops of pineapple and herbs and chili and all the good things, all drizzled with my Thai basil, lime and coconut salad dressing. This is the salad you'll want to be making all summer long. Wow, so this salad just says to me beautiful, hot Australian summer days with a little touch of an Asian flavor, obviously. But if it's not summer where you are, well, make this salad and it certainly will feel like it. This is a super simple one, guys. Let's get started on the noodles first of all. So I've got some dried rice vermicelli noodles here, and now the best way to deal with your noodles for a salad is not to boil them, it's to soak them. This is going to make sure that our noodles aren't overcooked and aren't soggy. I know a lot of you guys have trouble with noodles for salads because you've written in and let me know. So here we go. Just some warm water, doesn't even have to be boiling, and then go right in there and start moving those noodles around as soon as they're in the hot water. And then just let them soak a few minutes only. Let's do a bit of chopping while we're waiting. So I want some pineapple here, some nice little chunks, and some red chili. So I just want a mild red chili here. It's really just to add a really beautiful color rather than a very spicy flavor. And now literally in only like 2-3 minutes, the time it took me to chop those two things, my noodles are ready. So take those out. And now just to make them easier to toss later on, I like to slice them with some scissors, just a couple of times. Helps when you're serving up as well. And just give those a rinse under some cool water to stop them cooking and cool down, and then they're ready to go. Now let's start off our salad with some beautiful Chinese cabbage, some nice crunch and some color. And now some of my noodles. Pineapple, and some fresh cooked prawns, chilies, and some herbs, some coriander and some mint. But any kind of Asian herb is great here. Thai basil is really beautiful as well, or you could just stick to one, so just choose mint or just choose the basil, up to you. And now for the dressing. So I'm using my Thai basil, lime and coconut dressing here. I love this one because it's creamy and yet it's tangy and coconutty and just little pops of Thai basil flavor as well. It really is a favorite of mine at the moment. Okay, drizzle that on. I love that I can share these with you guys. I know not all of you can get a hold of my salad dressing range. If you head to my website, you can actually find the recipe to make this one from scratch as well, because I just want you guys to eat some good food. I don't want you to miss out. Now toss everything together. I just love the smell of those fresh herbs once they're tossed with that dressing. Oh, beautiful. Now out onto a plate. And then a must for me at the end here is some crispy fried shallots. These guys add savory flavor and crunch, and they're just really good. A couple little lime wedges on the side to squeeze over just before you dig in. And there you go, my Thai basil, lime and coconut prawn noodle salad. Just looks beautiful and summery, doesn't it? Can't wait to dig into this one. That combination, so fresh, so light. Coconut and the pineapple here, such a great combo. I love this one. Yum. So good. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.